life comes the moment of reality. The moment that I have to say goodbye with my childhood memories and childhood experiences. I am now here as an individual, facing you as a more matured person, with limitations in life, and knowing how to decide on my own. I am now a third-year marketing student here in Colegio de San Juan de Letras. I choose this profession as a marketing professional in the future because I know that dealing with people is easy for me. I know how to talk to them. I know how to communicate with them with the most ethical way and formal way. Ever since I was a child, it is my dream to become a businessman. I want to put up my own business in order for me to earn my own money and enjoy the fruit of my labor. My inspiration to work hard and my inspiration to move forward with my life are my parents. They are the one who give me strength, and they are the one who guide me in every ways of life that I am experiencing today. I may say that I am not a very intelligent student, but I know that someday, having this profession as a marketing professional will make me and develop who I am in the future. Thank you, and God.